DoorLoop Property Management tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain how to effectively manage properties using DoorLoop in 2025. The dashboard provides an overview of your properties, tenants, and finances. It's designed to centralize all management tasks in one place. To add property, go to the Properties tab, enter the property address, unit details, and rental rates. You can also upload lease agreements, move-in checklists, and property photos for easy access. Now, you can also, in the tenant section, add tenant information, including tenant contact details, lease terms, and payment schedules. DoorLoop also allows you to send automated payment reminders, reducing late payments. For maintenance management, you can access the Maintenance tab. Here you can create work orders, assign them to vendors, and update their status. You can also attach photos to work orders to clarify the issue. Next, go to the accounting section. The track rent payments, record expenses, and generate financial reports. DoorLoop integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, streamlining financial management. Lastly, use the Communication tab to send announcements or updates to tenants. This keeps everyone informed and reduces miscommunication. So from your dashboard, you can see all of these tabs and settings from your left hand menu. You can just click on any of these buttons right here and it will take you immediately to where you want to be, or from what kind of detail or tool that you want to use. And that is your DoorLoop property management tutorial.